That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. ACS. That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. ACS.
That portion was brought to you by Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. ACS.
Exodo Kabanata 18, versikulo 21. Ngunit pumili ka ng mga taong may kakayahan, may takot sa Diyos, mapagkakatiwalaan, at di masusuhulan. Gawin mo silang tagapangasiwa sa libo-libo, daan-daan, 50-50, at 10-10.
Ang mabuting balita ay hatid sa inyo ng MX3.
Ang galing! Pangmatagalan!
Parang tayo lang, Han, no?
Everest Appliances.
Babe, ano ever best decision mo in life?
Siyempre, building a home with you.
Aww. Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
Maglaro sa Bingo Plus app para tuloy-tuloy ang premyo at saya. At malay mo mapanalunan mo pa ang jackpot prize sa first online live stream bingo sa Pinas. Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya plus sa panalo. Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Visit pagcor.ph/regulatory or email keepitfun@pagcor.ph. Game responsibly. Keep it fun.
Ang husay!
So easy to use.
Everest Washing Machine.
Han, sino ever best partner mo in the world?
Siyempre, it's you, babe.
Aww. Everest Washing Machine. Easy wash, easy clean. Everbest from Everest.
Ayos lang, basta kasama. Konting Tanduay Light, buo ang kalooban.
Tanduay Light, gaan ng tama, gaan ng may kasama. Drink responsibly. Araw-araw man ang laban, buo ang kalooban. Basta't kasama ang Tanduay Light. Drink responsibly.
Boses Party List, boses ni Duterte sa Kongresyo. Boses Party List, numero 80 sa balota.
This ad is paid for by friends of Bose's Party List.
Tuhod, siko, baywang, aray! Pag laging pasan ang sakit sa kasukasuan, sign na yan ng arthritis o joint deterioration. Karaniwan kapag nagkakaedad na, kailangan ng tibay at ginhawang makakapitan. Kaya ng artrisin yan. May undenatured type 2 collagen at methylsulfonyl methane na maaaring makatulong protektahan ang kalusugan ng kasukasuan. Make the right move. Uminom ng artrisin araw-araw. Mabibili ang artrisin sa mga leading drugstores nationwide. Mahalagang paalala, ang artrisin ay hindi gamot at hindi maaaring gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RMN.